Back to a new device. Today I am going to tell you about lock screen layout. How can you set in your Redmi 10 phone, guys? How can you set your lock screen layout in Redmi 10 phone? Today we are going to talk about this setting in Redmi 10 phone. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you are in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. So now time to start video. First of all, friends, what will you have to do? Open your setting app. After, guys, come on lock screen, and guys come on lock screen clock format, click here. So you can see lock screen layout, guys. You can set from yourself. I like this one, guys, Sunday, like that. I can see date and years. So guys, click here and let's see, guys. You can see, guys, my lock screen layout. So I hope, guys, you have understood how to set lock screen layout in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.